give thanks. Yeah, man. Rise up, rise up, rise up. Give thanks for life every single day. Roots and culture. Believe in yourself, my friend, and you'll be unstoppable. There's a fire in your soul, unbreakable and powerful. Every morning is a blessing, give thanks and meditate. Today's for learning, tomorrow we elevate. If the opportunity no knock, you build your own door. Stand firm, stay humble, keep your spirit pure. Life is a journey, step by step we climb. With every little lesson we rising over time. Rise up and give thanks for today. Never lose the faith along the way. One love, one heart, let the blessings flow. Keep your roots strong everywhere you go. It's important to give thanks for today's sunlight and never give up on the dreams in your sight. Every struggle is a teacher showing you the road. Carry your wisdom with every heavy load. Remember, say your greatness lives deep within, bigger than any mountain or trouble you're in. When the world gets rough, just hold your ground. Like the roots of a tree planted deep in the ground. Rise up and give thanks for today. Never lose the faith along the way. One love, one heart, let the blessings flow. Keep your roots strong everywhere you go. So rise up, stand up, follow your destiny. No matter how it hard, keep moving steadily. Bless up yourself, keep your mind clean. You're shining like a king and a true human being. Every new day is another chance to grow. Another step to the top, steady and slow. Motivation is the key, hold it close inside. Let your light guide you like a river tide. Give thanks for him today, don't stress more tomorrow. Turn your pain into wisdom, joy from sorrow. With love in your heart and purpose in your mind, the road to success you surely will find. Rise up and give thanks for today. Never lose the faith along the way. One love, one heart, let the blessings flow. Keep your roots strong everywhere you go. Rise up, rise up, rise up.